Let's check the Budgies what they're doing. Hi, Budgies. Hi, Budgies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How pretty Budgies. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. What happened, my Budgies? Are you guys complaining to me? What's going on? What happened? Talk to me. Tell me what happened. Oh, poor Budgies. You gonna have snack today? Oh, you didn't. Oh, poor Budgies. What about you? Did you have your snack today? Oh, you didn't. Poor Budgies. So you want some snacks? Huh? No snack? You don't want no snack? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Explain to me why you guys are so cute. Oh, so cute. Why you have those feet so cute and those feathers? Look at how cute you are. Look at those colored pretty birds. They're so pretty birds. Charlotte. Cute Budgies. Pretty bird. Who's the pretty birds? Pretty birds. Cute, cute, cute. Who took a shower today? Who took a shower today? Yes, you did. You took a shower today, yes. You're happy, happy, happy? Sleepy Babash. So cute babies. It's a pretty babies. Hi, Luna. Hi, Luna. Hi, Lucy. Nap time? Are you guys nap time? Nap time. He's so cute. You guys are so cute. You cute budgies.